Step into the captivating world of mirror manufacturing with our video on how mirrors are made. Join us as we unravel the intricate process behind creating these reflective wonders that adorn our homes, offices, and beyond. In this enlightening video, we explore the fascinating journey from raw materials to the gleaming mirrors that reflect our world. From sand to reflection, we embark on a mesmerizing journey. Discover the key ingredient in mirror production: high-quality glass. Learn about the meticulous process of melting and shaping sand, soda, ash, and limestone to create the smooth, flawless sheets of glass that serve as the foundation for mirrors. Witness the delicate art of silvering, where a thin layer of reflective material is applied to the glass surface. Delve into the chemical reactions and intricate techniques involved in depositing a precisely controlled layer of silver or aluminum onto the glass, creating the mirror's reflective surface. But the process doesn't stop there. We delve into the protective coating applied to the mirror's back surface, safeguarding the reflective layer from damage and ensuring its longevity. Learn about the various materials used in this coating, such as copper, paint, or lacquer, and how they contribute to the mirror's overall durability. Join us as we explore the cutting and shaping processes that transform the large sheets of glass into different mirror sizes and shapes. Witness the precision and skill of glass cutters and polishers as they create flawless edges and smooth surfaces, ready to reflect the world around us. We also shed light on quality control measures, where mirrors undergo rigorous inspections to ensure their clarity, reflectivity, and overall visual appeal. Discover the technologies and tests employed to guarantee that every mirror meets the highest standards of quality and beauty. How mirrors are made is a must-watch for anyone curious about the manufacturing process behind these everyday objects of wonder. Whether you're an interior design enthusiast, a curious learner, or simply fascinated by the artistry of production, this video provides valuable insights into the intricate world of mirror manufacturing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating and educational content. Unveil the secrets behind the reflective surfaces that adorn our spaces, and gain a newfound appreciation for the mesmerizing process of mirror creation.